Hi friends, Marlene here from Uniquely Ella, and today I'm going to do a real quick flip through at some digitals that are new and they're up on my digital Etsy store, and I'm so excited about them because I think they're so cute. I think they turn out really cute. This collection is called Autumn Garden Critters, and most of the images are from the Garden Fairy, so you're going to see some of these images out there, but I think we all kind of arrange them and make them like our own, however we want them. So this collection has two kits. One is a digital collage pages, and the other one is the ephemera, and I had so much fun with the ephemera. So let's get started. And they're in the tall style, the collage pages that are in the tall style. There are 7 of them, and with the background page. Look how cute these turned out. Isn't that pretty? Let me just lean you back a little bit more. Just a little bit. I just got up this morning and I wanted to record this really quick. I had so much fun making these, and then I chose images that I had. I kind of, intermingle some images that had nothing to do with fall, but I think they work well together. And basically, I like to think of the collage pages as like tear pages. But some of these pages, you can definitely use them, tall journals if you want. But I think he's so cute. And let me just show you. This one's another tear page. And I love those mushrooms. I love the color. I just love fall, guys. I guess being from the tropics, I was born in the tropics, and then I lived in South Florida, Miami, most of my life. We did live in Chicago too, but most of my life has been like tropical weather. So the changing of the leaves and all that, oh, I love that so much. I enjoyed so much of that when we lived in Chicago. I was younger. I didn't have to drive, so I didn't care. This one, I think he's so pretty. And then I found these. I love these. These are really, like, to be honest, these are little spring pop-up flowers, but I like the color. It worked well, so I went ahead and put it in. And here's another one. Aren't these cute? I think those are cute. I'm calling these like my cutesy pages. Then I have my more elegant pages, but these I'm calling my cutesies. I love that acorn. Here's another one. He is so handsome and cute. And then, these could even be like intermingled with journals like this way as well. So I have a lot of, I better hurry up because I have a lot of projects like mentally that I want to do, but you know how it is. Then this one, I had to feature her twice because she's so beautiful. And then you get a background page, okay? So these are the collage pages. So now let me show you the ephemera, which is a bigger kit. And I think is so pretty. I love, 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 love. Let me put this over here. The ephemera is 9 pages with the background page. And first, we have jumble tags. I love making these jumble tags. Sometimes I even make them longer for the tall, skinny journals. But this little envelope I'm in love with. You know how some of the creators have like templates that they use all the time. I don't, but I think I'm gonna, maybe incorporate these to every single kit because I love these. I love these 2 little templates. This is adorable. I love that. Like maybe at top of a page or something. It's so tiny, it's adorable. And sometimes I will, guys, depends on the mood. I don't really have like a set style. It's like whatever I'm feeling. Sometimes I will outline, and I will add creases to my envelopes. Sometimes I don't. I don't want to distract sometimes from what I'm doing. I don't know. And then sometimes I like to highlight the outer circumference of the images with just a little darker line or something. And sometimes I don't. Sometimes I like to add like an eyelet print. Sometimes I don't. This one I didn't because I just didn't want to take away from any of it. I love it. And then I created this page, and I'm really excited about this page because this is my first time ever creating a mason jar digital, and I love mason jars. You don't understand. I have like so many. Let me just see if I can show you real quick since We are among friends. We are among friends. And I know this is to show you my digitals, but I can't help it. We're among friends, and let me just show you all the die cuts that I have on mason jars, because I just love anything to do with a mason jar. I just love it. And I used to incorporate a lot of these in my scrapbooking, and I don't anymore, but I'm coming up with an idea where I'm going to be incorporating some of my cutouts, some of my my die cuts that I have cut throughout the years and I try to keep. I'm going to try to incorporate them in something that I'm going to come up with. But anyway, I went off topic. Anyway, I am so excited because of that. I think that's so cute and I can't wait to cut it. And then in this page, I gave you like a little side pocket thing. I love, love, love bingo cards. And I think in some of these cutesy, I'm calling them cutesy, my not so elegant collections, I think bingo cards are like a little whimsical and they're cute, and I think I'm going to try to incorporate more of them. I just love them. And then 2 little journaling spots that can go in here or wherever you like. I made a jumbo, I'm calling it jumbo, but it could be even a little bit bigger, envelope, and I love this one. And see, this is the one that I told you I didn't do. Some of them I don't do the crease line because I don't know, I just like it like that. So I did a little collage here, and I like the scallop envelope, but I also like all kinds of envelopes. So here's another page. This envelope was kind of fun to make. See, here I felt like I needed to define, you know, I don't know why. Anyway, I love these. These can go in the here, or you can do whatever you like. And then I also made you some smaller tags in different, like, whatever prints and all kinds of things. I like these. Are fun to put anywhere, or even gather them all up and put a brad and just like flip through them. That's kind of fun. Then I made this page, and this is more like ephemera, like that you can like. I printed mine in a little stronger cardstock because I'm going to put them like in little tucks and stuff. But you can print these just on regular copy paper and fold them if you like or whatever. But I like mine, and actually I like my whole kit, my whole ephemera kit for this collection. I did all in cardstock because I just want that. You know, you can also do them in regular paper and back them up with book pages. I do that sometimes too. This one, I think he's adorable, and I love that color. It goes well with everything. That's a beautiful scene. And then I also made my favorite collage pages and gave you a turn them into like little journaling cards. So I think this is fun to play with. But I mean, there's more pages than that, but these are like my 4 favorite pages. Then I gave you a few little cutouts that you can just play with, and maybe 2 strips that you can maybe do something with it. And these are my favorite images, so I gave you those. And this is the background page for all of it. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. If you have any suggestions, ideas, you guys are amazing. You leave me the most wonderful comments. But I'm always open for suggestions and ideas on my digitals, where, as you all know, this is my first year doing them. So I'm kind of new at them. I have much to learn, but I'm open for suggestions and ideas anytime. Thank you, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.